So, hi guys, my name is Chetan Kaushik and I did my 12th standard in the year 2017. I had joined Radhika tutorials in 2016 in my 11th standard, and I did my 11th and 12th accounts tuition in Radhika tutorials. So, I'm a strong believer of learning by doing, and this is what is really a point of difference at Radhika tutorials, that Poonam ma'am really helps you to understand concepts practically by making you actually do it, and not by really just putting on the answer on the board. So that is what I think that is really different about Radhika tutorials, and that is why I think that it's better than all the other institutes that provide coaching of 12th, 11th, and 12th class. So yeah, I ended up scoring a 94 on 100 in accounts in my 12th standard, and all thanks to Poonam ma'am. And I really like her. I really admire her and wish her all the best.